Ellie Jo. What's that, Zoe?
Baby tail.
Is that baby tail? That's not from Ellie Jo. Who's that from, Zoe?
A cat. A cat.
What is that, Ellie Jo? Zoe, who's that from? Zoe, it's from Mimi. It's a box from Mimi. Can you say from Mimi? From Mimi, yes. Here, Ellie Jo. Here, Ellie. There's some big beads, aren't they? Zoe, what else in that box?